So it's currently about 5 after 1 in the afternoon. As of 11 o'clock this morning, it was a state of emergency declared for St. John's, Mount Pearl, Paradise, and 90% of government plows, city plows, and everything have been completely pulled off the roads at this point because it is too dangerous for the plows. I don't know if you can see, well, no, you can't see it, but over in that white wall there, every now and then you can see the shadow of the playground. That's only about 400 feet from my house. And the building there is, well, I don't know, it takes me probably 2-3 minutes to walk from my front door to it. And you can barely just make it out. We'll try to post a couple more videos throughout the day as well. Everybody stay inside, stay safe, and stay warm.